Welcome to another episode of the NewsRamp Events Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, excited to bring you today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we gather the latest business news from the best sources, ensuring you stay updated and engaged. Before we begin, a quick reminder. This podcast features AI-assisted production and voices, but the news we present is genuine, with full stories available on newsramp.com. Today is Tuesday evening, June 10th, 2025, and we've curated a fantastic selection of events news just for you. So whether you're commuting, working out, or just relaxing, stay tuned and let's dive right in. Let's kick things off with our first headline.
Investor news breaks. Oragenics Inc., NYS American, to spotlight concussion candidate at Bio 2025 and Neurotrauma Symposium. Oragenics Inc. will showcase its intranasal neurosteroid candidate for concussion treatment, OMP0002, at the 2025 Bio International Convention and the 42nd Annual National Neurotrauma Society Symposium. Head of Business Development Greg Garanda will present at these events in June to connect with global leaders in neuroscience and pharmaceutical sectors. Oragenics is a biotechnology company focused on nasal delivery of pharmaceutical medications for neurology and infectious diseases, including MTBI and NPC. For more information, visit Oragenics' website. MoneyShow Masters Symposium Las Vegas, The Great Money Reset. MoneyShow announces the MoneyShow Masters Symposium Las Vegas, scheduled for July 15 to 17, 2025, at Caesars Palace. This year's theme is The Great Money Reset, featuring industry experts guiding attendees on investment strategies. Speakers include Anas Al-Haji, Carolyn Borodin, Mark Mahoney, Larry McDonald, and Carly Garner. MoneyShow, led by Kim Githler and Aaron West, has a legacy of educating investors and traders. The symposium offers networking opportunities and valuable insights for building wealth. For more information, visit the InvestorWire website.
MoneyShow Masters Symposium Las Vegas, The Great Money Reset. MoneyShow announces the MoneyShow Masters Symposium Las Vegas, scheduled for July 5th to 17th, 2025, at Caesars Palace. This year's theme is The Great Money Reset, featuring top experts guiding attendees on investment decisions. The event offers networking opportunities, in-depth sessions, and access to industry experts. For more information, visit the InvestorWire website. InvestorWire is a specialized communications platform focused on press release syndication for private and public companies and the investment community, offering access to a vast network of wire solutions and tailored corporate communications solutions. Tiny Gems breaks Tonix Pharmaceuticals Holding Corp., TNXP, to present at 2025 Bio International Convention. Tonix Pharmaceuticals Holding Corp., TNXP CEO Seth Lederman, MD, will present at the 2025 Bio International Convention in Boston on Monday, June 16th at 5 p.m. in room 153B at the Boston Convention and Exhibition Center. Tonix is focused on transforming pain management therapies and modernizing public health solutions, with a priority to submit an NDA to the FDA this month for TNX-102SL for fibromyalgia. The FDA granted Fast Track designation to TNX-102SL. Tonix also received a $34 million DoD contract to develop TNX-4200 for military personnel. The company's CNS portfolio includes TNX-1300 for cocaine intoxication, TNX-1500 for organ transplant rejection and autoimmune diseases. For more information, visit www.tonixpharma.com. MiningNews Select Australia 2025 to deliver premier investment showcase. MiningNews Select Australia 2025 is set to deliver a premier investment showcase this July at Crown Perth, featuring over 30 junior mining companies and 400 investor meetings. Hosted by miningnews.net and powered by Aspermont, the event will highlight high-potential resources companies in critical minerals and gold sectors. These projects have undergone careful assessment to identify top development assets. For more information, visit the provided link. InvestorWire is a specialized communications platform offering wire-grade press release syndication for private and public companies, providing access to a vast network of solutions, article syndication to thousands of outlets, press release enhancement, social media distribution, and tailored corporate communication solutions. Visit investorwire.com for more details. MiningNews Select Australia 2025 to deliver premier investment showcase. MiningNews Select Australia 2025 is back this July for an investor-focused event at Crown Perth, featuring over 30 junior mining companies and 400 investor meetings. Hosted by miningnews.net and powered by Aspermont, this event will showcase high-potential resources companies in critical minerals and gold sectors. Expert panels will discuss key trends like capital access and exploration strategies, providing valuable insights for investors. With 30-plus companies participating, investors can explore development-stage projects with strong fundamentals. The event offers ample networking opportunities and a dedicated meetings concierge. To learn more, visit the event website. InvestorWire is a specialized communications platform offering press release syndication for private and public companies, connecting them with investors and the investment community. 45 drives to join 2025 Rocky Mountain Cybersecurity Symposium. 45 Drives, a global leader in high-performance open-source storage and virtualization infrastructure, will be participating in the 2025 Rocky Mountain Cybersecurity Symposium. Chief Architect Mitch Hall will deliver a session on designing resilient open-source storage architectures for security-conscious organizations. The event, known for drawing cybersecurity professionals from across the U.S., offers technical and strategic content to advance cybersecurity skills. Hall's session will explore best practices using open-source components like Ceph, ZFS, and 45 Drives software. Participants will engage in hands-on workshops featuring Proxmox VE, OpenSense, and SnapShield to gain practical experience in secure data infrastructure design. 45 Drives president, Dr. Doug Milburn, emphasizes the importance of understanding how open-source solutions can enhance control, customization, and cost efficiency in data environments. The company's presence at RMCS reflects its growing influence in cybersecurity, defense, and research sectors, providing affordable and auditable alternatives to traditional enterprise storage.
45 Drives joins Southeast Linux Fest 2025 as official sponsor, championing open-source storage innovation for MSPs and IT professionals. 45 Drives, a division of 45 Drives, is proud to announce its official sponsorship of the 2025 Southeast Linux Fest, SELF, showcasing open-source storage innovation for MSPs and IT professionals. The event, taking place June 13 to 15 in Charlotte, North Carolina, is a gathering of Linux enthusiasts and technology professionals dedicated to advancing the open-source movement. 45 Drive's 45 Professional Division, offering tailored solutions to managed service providers, will have a strong presence at the event. Attendees can connect with Todd Piffer, Enterprise Account Manager, and Braden Cavett, Solutions Specialist, to learn about the latest hardware and software solutions. The sponsorship of SELF 2025 aligns with 45 Drive's mission to promote open hardware and software as viable alternatives to proprietary systems, especially for MSPs and creative professionals seeking cost efficiency and scalability. To learn more about 45 Drives or to connect during SELF 2025, visit 45drives.com.
GeoVax announces upcoming presentation at the European Hematology Association 2025 Congress, highlighting positive immune response data for GeoCM04S1 in CLL patients. GeoVax Labs Inc. will present clinical data for its COVID-19 vaccine candidate, GeoCM04S1, at the EHA 2025 Congress. The presentation will focus on the improved immune response in CLL patients compared to an mRNA-based vaccine. The Phase 2 trial results show promise for GeoCM04S1 in populations with suboptimal protection. Dr. Kelly T. McKee, Jr., Chief Medical Officer, emphasized the importance of addressing the real-world needs of patients with hematologic malignancies. GeoCM04S1, a multi-antigen vaccine, aims to provide broader and more durable immune protection and is currently in Phase 2 trials for both immunocompromised and healthy adults. GeoVax Labs is dedicated to developing novel vaccines against infectious diseases and therapies for solid tumor cancers.
Rebuilding Trust: How GlucoTrack is Establishing a New Standard in Diabetes Management. GlucoTrack Inc. is revolutionizing diabetes management with its fully implantable continuous blood glucose monitoring system. By forming a patient advisory board, the company is addressing key issues such as inaccuracy, compression lows, allergic reactions, and emotional toll associated with traditional CGM systems. The innovative CBGM system offers long-term functionality, is fully implantable, and provides direct blood glucose measurements. Recent clinical studies have shown promising results with an average MARD of 6.7%. GlucoTrack is set to showcase its groundbreaking technology at the 2025 American Diabetes Association Scientific Sessions, highlighting the future of continuous glucose monitoring. This marks a significant step towards establishing a new standard in diabetes management. Vivid Velocity: 2015 Lamborghini Huracán LP 6 and 10-4 blazes into DFW Car and Toy Museum. The DFW Car and Toy Museum is excited to unveil the 2015 Lamborghini Huracán LP 610-4 Coupe, a stunning addition to the Ron Sturgeon collection. This modern Italian masterpiece, with a 5.2-liter V10 engine producing 602 horsepower, showcases Lamborghini's raw power and advanced technology. Featuring a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission and all-wheel drive, the Huracán offers thrilling acceleration and precise handling. With Anima driving modes and a front axle lift system, this car is as versatile as it is powerful. Inside, luxurious black leather seats with green accents, Lamborghini crests, and a full infotainment system create a racing-inspired yet refined cabin. Now on display at the museum, this Huracán invites visitors to witness the evolution of an iconic supercar brand.
BZBGEAR to reveal exciting rebrand and first-to-market 8K tech at InfoComm 2025. BZBGEAR, a leader in professional AV and broadcasting solutions, is set to unveil an exciting rebrand at InfoComm 2025 in Orlando, FL. The company, known for its award-winning technologies and customer success, is showcasing its growth and innovation. Visitors can experience the new identity at Booth 2069 from June 11 to 13. BZBGEAR will also launch cutting-edge products, including the industry's first 8K 16x16 HDMI 2.1 matrix switcher and 8K AV over IP multicast transceivers. With a focus on simplifying and amplifying the pro AV and broadcasting industries, BZBGEAR is committed to providing top-grade solutions. Learn more at bzbgear.com. American Clown, a bold new documentary, unmasks the soul of a vanishing art. American Clown is a captivating documentary that follows Guilford Adams, a real clown, as he explores the vanishing world of American clowning. With the decline of traditional circuses and iconic clown figures, Adams delves into the question of whether joy can still be found in the art of clowning. The film features interviews with renowned performers like John C. Reilly and Steve-O, offering insight into the identity and resilience of clowns. Directed by Guilford Adams and Casey Pinkston, and produced by Ginger Kid Productions and Sally Pictures, American Clown premieres on June 23rd at Grauman's Chinese Theater in Hollywood as part of the Dances with Films Festival. Tickets are available now for this must-see event.
Intelligent Office in Troy, Michigan doubles footprint in PNC Center amid increased demand. Intelligent Office Troy in Michigan is expanding its location in the PNC Center building to over 15,000 square feet, doubling its footprint. The grand opening on June 24 will feature a ribbon-cutting ceremony, giveaways, and more. The expanded space will include 13 furnished offices, 12 dedicated cubicles, and 2 conference rooms with stunning views. Dr. Joan Hockenstad, the local entrepreneur behind the franchise, aims to create a community-driven workspace for entrepreneurs and small businesses. With 100% occupancy, the expansion was necessary to meet the growing demand. In addition to physical workspace, Intelligent Office Troy offers virtual assistant services, including phone answering and admin support, with a team of HIPAA-certified staff. Dr. Hockenstad's vision is to provide a one-stop shop for businesses' infrastructure needs, offering a seamless extension of their operations.
one of the first female board-certified truck accident attorneys to speak at Winning Truck Wreck Cases seminar. Christy Crowe Childers, one of the first female board-certified truck accident attorneys in the U.S., will be sharing her strategies at the Winning Truck Wreck Cases seminar. She'll focus on a new damages model she developed to help judges, jurors, and clients understand less tangible damages. The event, hosted by David W. Craig and Scott A. Faultless, will take place on August 4th, 2025, from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. at the Embassy Suites Noblesville, Indianapolis Conference Center. Childers will discuss Damages House, a model that uses storytelling and visualization to create powerful testimonies. She is also a co-founder of Sisterhood of the Eight, a nonprofit supporting women in trial law and the transportation industry. This seminar aims to help women achieve 8-figure verdicts and promote safer roads. Craig, Kelly, and Faultless, the organizers, are top 100 Indiana trial lawyers known for their expertise in truck accident law.
Pacylex Pharmaceuticals N-myristoyl transferase inhibitors highlighted at BIO annual meeting. Pacylex Pharmaceuticals, a leader in N-myristoyl transferase inhibitors for cancer, is showcasing its oral zelenirstat at the BIO International Convention. Zelenirstat, a potent NMTI, is being developed as a first-in-class treatment for hematologic cancers. The company is meeting with potential partners and investors at the conference to discuss the potential of zelenirstat and other NMTIs as payloads for antibody-drug conjugates in the treatment of solid tumor cancers. Zelenirstat has shown promising results in Phase 1 trials, with patients experiencing better progression-free and overall survival rates. Pacylex is also exploring clinical combinations with other oral therapies and the development of ADC payloads using NMT inhibitors. For more information, visit Pacylex's website. Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Events podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading news like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.